Hey everyone! In this video you'll learn some useful vocabulary and expressions that are commonly used in everyday conversations. Let's go!
Hello, my name is David. I am 35 years old, and I just moved to this city. Everything feels new and exciting, and today I will explore different places to eat. I love trying new food, so I can't wait to see what I find. Today was a busy day, and I did not have time to cook. I had just moved to this city, and I was still exploring different places to eat. In the morning, I went to a bakery near my flat. When I walked in, I smelt fresh bread. I went to the counter and ordered a cappuccino and a chocolate croissant. The cashier asked if I wanted extra toppings, but I said no. After paying, I took my tray to a small table by the window. I ate my breakfast and watched people walking outside. At lunchtime, I was in a hurry, so I chose a fast food restaurant. It was my first time using the self-service kiosk. I selected a cheeseburger, fries, and a fizzy drink. The screen asked if I wanted to make my meal bigger, but I said no. After I paid, I took my receipt and waited at the counter. The kitchen staff made my order quickly, put it on a tray, and called my number. I picked up my meal and sat near the entrance. The fries were crispy, and the burger was tasty. It was just what I needed before my next task. In the afternoon, I wanted a snack, so I went to a coffee shop. The cafe was small and cozy. It smelled like fresh coffee. I ordered a cup of tea and a slice of carrot cake. The barista smiled and gave me my drink. I carried my tray to a quiet corner and sat down. The cake was soft and sweet, and the tea was warm. It was nice to take a break. As I was sitting there, I saw someone waving at me. It was Andy, a colleague from my new job. He walked over with his cup of coffee and asked if he could sit with me. We talked about our experiences in the city and the best places to eat. Andy told me about a few great restaurants and a small diner that had the best fish and chips. I wrote down the names because I wanted to try them soon. In the evening, I was too tired to go out again, so I ordered food online. I opened a food delivery app and looked at the options. I chose an Italian restaurant and ordered a margherita pizza, garlic bread, and sparkling water. Soon, my phone buzzed with a message that my food had arrived. I opened the door and saw a delivery driver holding a bag. I thanked him and took my food inside. The pizza was hot and cheesy, and the garlic bread was crispy. It was the perfect way to end my day. The next day, I decided to try something different, so I went to a Chinese restaurant for dinner. The place was cozy, with red lanterns hanging from the ceiling and soft music playing in the background. The walls had beautiful paintings of cherry blossoms and mountains. I ordered sushi, even though it's originally Japanese, because the restaurant had a good selection. When the food arrived, the sushi looked fresh and colorful, with slices of salmon and avocado on top. I picked up my chopsticks and took a bite. The rice was soft, and the fish was tender. The soy sauce and wasabi added just the right amount of flavor. As I ate, I enjoyed the warm atmosphere of the restaurant. The staff was friendly, and the place had a calm and relaxing vibe. It was a nice change from ordering food at home, and I left feeling satisfied and happy. Today was full of different food experiences. I ate in, picked up food, and had food delivered. Every meal was a small moment of happiness in my busy day. I liked having so many choices in my new city. And that's it for today. I hope this story helped you learn new vocabulary and improve your English in a fun way. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you next time. Take care and keep practicing your English.
Useful vocabulary. Types of places to eat. Bakery sells bread, pastries, and coffee. Fast food restaurant, quick service restaurant. Coffee shop cafe serves coffee, tea, and snacks. Diner, casual restaurant, often with American food. Restaurant, general term for a place to eat. Food and drinks vocabulary. Breakfast, first meal of the day. Lunch, midday meal. Dinner, evening meal. Snack, small meal between main meals. Dessert, sweet treat after a meal. Common food items. Bread, croissant, cheeseburger, French fries, pizza. Sushi, carrot cake, tea and coffee, fizzy drink, sparkling water. Ordering and payment phrases. I'd like to order. Can I have? For here or to go. Would you like extra toppings? Do you want to upsize your meal? That will be $10, please. Here's your change. Talking about food preferences. I love trying new food. This is delicious. The fries are crispy and tasty. The pizza is hot and cheesy. The tea is warm and comforting. I prefer eating out rather than ordering food. I enjoy eating in cozy restaurants. Extra expressions for conversations. What do you recommend? What's the specialty of the house? Can I see the menu, please? How long will it take? This place has a nice atmosphere. Eating out is a great way to explore new flavors and cultures. What's your favorite type of food? Let me know in the comments.